akenya nimakorwo makiamukira kigina kiao kiria maheagwo matuku ma ukuruini woona macibatara mugaru na hau kabere ati nomuhaka mundu angiakinyirire miaka ya kuhuruka wiira niguo aamukire kigina giki.
As a country, we are looking forward to increasing the number of beneficiaries onto the fund. Currently, we have about 3.1 million Kenyans. We want to encourage Kenyans to be able to save for their retirement, to be able to protect themselves from the shocks. We saw a challenge, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic. With this fund, we also want to look at ways where we can have Kenyans to save and get the returns within a short period. They don't have to wait until they are 60 years of age.
Absolutely. Look, I think that's a very important consideration, and Madam CS has touched on it very well. You see, if you say to somebody in the informal sector that we're asking you to put money aside and we're asking you to put that money aside for 20, 30, 40 years into the future, it will become a very hard sell. But if you say to people that you can save small amounts of money, and you can access that money maybe in 3 years, in 5 years, in 10 years time. Or you can access it for specific purposes like, buying a house, educating your children, educating yourself, or for emergencies in life. Most definitely it will make saving very, very attractive.
Haya, na riboti iyo ni rahekania ga ukorwo ngikihumuka ndakoro githii kurahi kuona ati ni ndiracokereria na mange maingi guku ani kwa Muthingi TV.